How dare you?
I'll bank my real swears for later.
How dare you insult Bozo like that? So 100,000 consults is probably what we've done. And it's a lot of fun. And what tends to be a lot of fun is when you start talking to real people that really have help. What I'm glad about with that guy is I didn't call him Saturday at noon, because if at all possible, I would have retained him. And now I've got a jackass for a client, right? Which I don't necessarily want.
I think downside there would have been that would have really hurt your numbers a little bit. You have 100,000 consults. You only had 90,000 before you called the first time. So
well, I don't have to count. I don't have to count the crank calls. That's not included. In fact, I
thought he was boosting your numbers. I thought he was trying to give you some more accolades.
This isn't like Angel Reese rebounds where I get to bank it off the rim.
If it leaves the hand, we'll just cut away before we see whether or not it went in.
Flash the face, flashback, swish. So so it's not
that
like
was a
that.
Man. On that second cut.
It looked like Shaq, but I'm not sure. So, sometimes we have to retain people, and we get to retain people. And I got to be honest. I mean, I'm an attorney, very well respected, right? I mean,
of course,
very prominent here in town. I mean,
who would dare disrespect you?
Who indeed? And so I am.
If you need to, the number I think is on the screen. Just to
so I get a girl this one day, and she comes in. Oh, and what I was trying to say is, I'm probably the most naive attorney in town as well, right? So people come in, they tell me things, and I'm like, boy, that sounds accurate. Yes, whatever you just said, that sounds like the truth.
I'm sure you're the good guy here.
You are the good guy in the scenario.